isipin mo na lang to, kung walang songwriter, walang magandang kanta. Sa lahat ng pagkakataon sa buhay natin, kailangan natin ng kanta. Birthday mo nga, may kanta eh, di ba? You go to church, may kanta. Go to the mall, may kanta. The biggest, most detailed parts of your life, may kanta, di ba? Every time you listen to a song, it reminds you of something. There's a particular song that reminds you of your childhood. There's a particular song that reminds you of this particular food na nakain mo nung ganitong edad mo, di ba? May soundtrack lagi ang buhay natin eh. So without songwriters, I don't think that's possible. I think dapat mas pahalagahan pa yung songwriters eh, kasi songwriters are creators eh. And well, tanggalin mo yung element ng music, lungkot ng buhay. Tanggalin mo yung element ng pagsusulat ng katang lungkot ng buhay. So just to answer your question, it is of extreme importance na may songwriting.